Okay, so I just read about GitHub's Agentic Workflows, and the idea of writing workflows in natural language markdown blew my mind.
Wait, really? So you can literally describe your workflows in a way that's conversational. That's a game changer.
Exactly, it feels like merging coding with storytelling, but I wonder, how does that actually work behind the scenes?
From what I gathered, it translates those natural language instructions into executable tasks in GitHub Actions. Smart.
Right, but here's my question. Does that mean you need to be super precise with your language? Like, what if you get it wrong?
That's a valid concern. Precision is definitely key, but it's also designed to handle some level of ambiguity. Still, some errors could slip through.
Oh, I can see that leading to some unexpected outcomes. Imagine if it misinterprets a command.
Exactly, there's a risk. They emphasized guardrails for safety, like limiting permissions by default.
Guardrails, like safety measures to avoid disasters, how effective are those really?
They seem quite robust. We're talking sandboxed execution and input sanitization, which is good, but nothing's foolproof.
True, and even the best guardrails can't prevent all issues. Human oversight is still essential.
Absolutely. I mean, it's like trusting a self-driving car but still keeping your hands ready on the wheel.
That's a perfect analogy, but what happens if someone misuses it? Like, could it lead to security breaches?
Potentially, yes. They mentioned human approval gates for critical operations good, but it adds friction to the process.
Friction can be frustrating, but it's necessary. I'd rather be cautious than sorry. What about the documentation?
From what I saw, they have extensive guides and documentation. That's crucial for understanding how to use this effectively.
I guess a solid documentation framework helps users navigate the complexities, but is it user-friendly?
They aimed for accessibility, so it should cater to various skill levels. But I wonder if some might still find it overwhelming.
Yeah, tech jargon can be a barrier, and then there's the learning curve. Not everyone will adapt quickly.
And let's not forget that the effectiveness of AI in these workflows is still an evolving landscape. There's always room for improvement.
Totally, it's like we're on this journey together with AI, pushing boundaries and discovering capabilities.
Exactly. And it's fascinating to think about how these workflows could reshape how we manage tasks in repositories.
Right, it's almost like having a project manager that works 24/7, but I wonder about its limitations.
Great point. While it's powerful, it might not handle nuanced tasks as well as a human. There's a fine line there.
So it's like a tool to enhance productivity, but not a full replacement for human oversight.
Exactly. It can automate routine tasks, but creativity and complex decision-making still need a human touch.
That makes me think, how do we strike the right balance between efficiency and oversight?
Good question. It's about finding the right tasks to automate while ensuring we remain in control of critical decisions.
So it's like setting boundaries, but what if someone wants to dive deeper into this? Any resources?
They have a section for contributing. Getting involved could be a great way to learn more and influence the project.
That's intriguing. It feels like an opportunity for collaboration, but I wonder how accessible that really is.
They offer a clear guide on how to contribute, but it might still require a certain level of expertise.
I guess that's where the challenge lies, inviting participation without alienating less experienced users.
Exactly. It's a balancing act, but it's exciting to think about how this could evolve over time.
I can't help but feel there's a significant transformation on the horizon for workflows as we know them.
Definitely. And as we explore these tools, we're likely to uncover even more fascinating insights.
Right? It's like peeling an onion, so many layers to uncover. I wonder what's next.
I think the future of agentic workflows could redefine collaboration and efficiency in ways we can't even imagine yet.
That's exciting and a bit daunting. What's the most critical takeaway for users diving into this?
Be curious and cautious. Embrace the opportunities while being mindful of the limitations and potential risks.
Exactly, it's all about navigating this new landscape thoughtfully. What a journey we're on.
Agreed, and I can't wait to see how this all unfolds in the coming years.